Hi there, it's Julia from airfocus, and this is part 4 of getting started with airfocus. In this video, you will learn about how to prioritize together with your team by using the Priority Poker app. So let's get started. We are currently on our home screen. Let's go to one of our workspaces. For example, my Boom Video Opportunity workspace. In order to create a Priority Poker game, we are going to the apps sections. Here we have the app Priority Poker. The first step would be to create a new game. Let's give it a name and create a game. In the next step, we are going to add the items that we want to rate together with our team. So I'm just going to add some items here. We could actually also search our items by filtering down. So for example, everything that is assigned to myself, nothing here currently. Oh yes, there is something here. We could filter out and add those selected items to the game. Now we are managing the players. This means we can either send the players a link to join the session, or they could scan the QR code, or we can invite them manually. Let's invite my colleague Andrew to this session. Andrew is a great marketer, but he has not a lot of knowledge about development efforts or team efforts. So I'm going to take away his permission to be able to rate the criteria team effort. This way, he will only be able to rate the reach, revenue, and the impact. So now the game is set up and allows me to rate together with Andrew. We can either play over a period of time. Let's say we create the game on Monday, everybody logs in and rates everything until Wednesday. And on Wednesdays, we discuss the results. Or we can also start a live session. And the live session is great because you can rate together with your team when you're in a meeting. Also, if you're in a video call, it works great remotely as well. So we are currently in a live session. And in the live session, the admin or the creator of the game is what I like to call the game master. So when I click on Google Authentication, everybody in the game will get this pop-up on the right screen as well. And at this point, everybody from the players will rate the criteria according to their opinion. As you can see, the progress is being shown by this blue little circle. And when I'm done, I click on I'm done, and you will see a check mark. As I'm playing alone right now, you won't see any progress from Andrew, but let's just pretend Andrew is done as well. So I lock the item and show the results. We now get the results in form of an average that has been calculated by the system. And the average is the average of all the individual ratings from all the users that have participated and have rated. Again, playing alone right now, but usually you would see several user ratings down here. You will also get if the agreement is high, medium, or low. If you have a low agreement, for example, if I voted for 0 and Andrew voted for 100, I would suggest at this point you discuss with your team, with your colleagues, why there is such a big difference. Maybe there was a misunderstanding or there is another reason. And then the admin or the creator of the game can also override the smart suggest from the system, because you maybe settle on 50, but you could also always jump back to the smart suggest again. You can always toggle up the details, see the details, the detailed ratings of all of the users. And once hopefully everybody agrees, you can set the ratings and complete the item. This will push your item from open to prioritized. and it will give you the priority score. Remember, the priority score usually goes from a 0 to 100, and the higher the better. More details about this in the previous video, part 3, where we talk about views, prioritizing, and road mapping. So you would repeat this now with all of the items that you have in this session, and so rate them together with your team. This is a great way of prioritizing, getting more information and more data and more opinions in there, opening up this whole process and making it more transparent. So yeah, try it out. It's a great way of, and a great and fun way of prioritizing together with your team. So yeah, that's it. That's Priority Poker. And I hope you have fun with your team together playing it. Thanks for listening and watching. Bye.